In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to speed up your productivity. Let's start inside Google Calendar. On the left panel, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Set up separate calendars as categories like Work, Content Creation, Clients, Personal Growth, Personal, and Health. Give each one a distinct color so you can see at a glance what your day is made of. Keep the palette consistent and meaningful. For example, calm colors for personal items and bold colors for deep work. You can toggle calendars on and off to reduce visual noise when you need to focus on a single area. Next, fine-tune your defaults so every event behaves the way you want without extra clicks. Open Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, 30 minutes for quick meetings or 60 minutes for deeper sessions. Set 2 reminders, such as 1 hour and 10 minutes before, and decide whether you want pop-up notifications or emails. The goal is to be informed, not interrupted, so pick the notification style you'll actually see. Now time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, place work into the calendar as dedicated blocks. For example, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 o'clock a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 a.m. for content creation. Treat these like real appointments. Add short buffers between blocks to handle context switching, and if priorities change, drag the blocks to new times rather than deleting them. This keeps your plan intact. For anything that happens regularly, use recurring events. Open an event and set it to repeat. Create a Sunday evening, weekly planning session, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Choose the cadence that matches your routine, weekly, monthly, or custom, so your calendar builds your habits for you. Protect your focus with specialized event types. Use focus time to automatically limit meeting interruptions during your most important work. Mark out of office when you're unavailable, so invites are declined for you. And turn on tasks integration, so actionable items appear directly on your calendar without becoming meetings. Make sure everything stays in sync. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, connect it with Gmail so invites land on your calendar instantly, and link your video platform so joining details are one tap away. Double check your phone's notification settings to ensure alerts actually appear. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Add a clear agenda, notes, links to video calls or documents, and a simple checklist. Keeping context inside the event means you arrive prepared and can move straight into action. With these steps in place, your calendar becomes a reliable system that organizes your time and speeds up your